rear view and side view mirrors, history, function, and features. Until side view mirrors were mandated as a safety requirement in the 1960s, they were often considered optional and not standard on most vehicles. Also known as wing mirrors, side view mirrors help drivers see areas to the side and behind the vehicle, beyond the reach of their peripheral vision. With the rearview mirror, side mirrors create a continuous view around the car, enhancing situational awareness and reducing blind spots. Side mirrors are designed for manual and remote vertical and horizontal adjustment to accommodate drivers of various heights and seating positions. Many mirrors now include heated glass to prevent fog and ice buildup. Mirrors can also have auto-dimming to reduce glare from headlights behind the vehicle, and built-in turn signal indicators for improved visibility to other drivers. Convex mirrors provide a wider field of view than flat mirrors, making them especially useful for larger vehicles like trucks, vans, and buses. Because these vehicles have larger blind spots, convex mirrors are often used to improve visibility. While car drivers can check blind spots by glancing over their shoulders, this is not always possible in larger vehicles. Side view mirrors, particularly when enhanced with convex surfaces, are critical in checking blind spots safely. Most modern side mirrors can be folded manually or electronically to prevent damage in tight spaces. Reducing the protrusion minimizes the potential injury to pedestrians or cyclists and reduces the risk of being clipped by passing vehicles or automatic car washes. Standard rear view mirror is a flat mirror that provides a direct view of the area behind the vehicle. The mirror can be adjusted vertically and horizontally to match any driver's height and seating position. Rear view mirrors are known as day-night mirrors. The night position reduces glare from the headlights of trailing vehicles at night. Car mirrors have evolved from optional accessories to essential safety features. They reduce the risk of collisions and have become a foundational element of vehicle safety systems.